A beautiful morning it was. Outside their small wooden house in the middle of the jungle, Junu and Chimpu were enjoying the warm sunlight. Chimpu was sitting on his chair reading a newspaper, and Junu, as always, was in a mischievous mood. He was standing on his chair and jumping around. Chimpu stopped him. Junu, don't jump like that, you will fall. But Junu didn't listen. Suddenly, crack! The chair broke, and Junu fell to the ground. Chimpu quickly ran to him and helped him up, then gently made him sit on another chair and said, "Sit here, I'll be right back." Chimpu went inside the house and brought glue from there. He carefully repaired the broken chair. When the chair was fixed, he smiled with satisfaction and then went back inside the house to rest. But he left the glue tube outside. Now outside, Junu was sitting alone. Just then, two cute squirrels came there. Junu slowly got down from the chair and started playing with them. While playing, his eyes fell on that glue tube. He picked it up and started playing with it. But then he made a big mistake. The glue fell directly on one squirrel's tail and its tail got stuck to the ground. The squirrel got scared and started trying to get free. Junu also got scared. "Oh no, what happened?" Just then, a rabbit came there. Junu told him everything. Both of them tried to free the squirrel. They poured water, pulled it, but nothing worked. The other squirrel was watching all this. And then, another mistake. Junu accidentally dropped glue again, this time on the rabbit's feet. Now the rabbit also got stuck there. Now the situation became worse. The squirrel was stuck, the rabbit was stuck, and Junu was completely panicked. He started running here and there. He couldn't understand what to do. Sometimes he poured water, sometimes he tried pulling, sometimes he brought different things, but nothing worked. Then the other squirrel went inside the house and called Chimpu. Chimpu came outside, and seeing the situation, he was shocked. Just then, Junu ran toward him. "Chimpu, come quickly, I made a mistake." And he told him everything. Chimpu looked at the squirrel and the rabbit and immediately understood. Without wasting time, he went inside the house, and this time he brought a bottle of oil. He bent down and slowly poured oil on the squirrel's tail. Within a few seconds, the glue loosened and the squirrel was free. Then he poured oil on the rabbit's feet, and the rabbit also got free. Both of them became very happy and, jumping with joy, ran back into the jungle. Junu slowly walked toward Chimpu. His eyes were down. "Sorry, Chimpu." Chimpu smiled and said, "It's okay, Junu, but remember, play but always be careful." Junu smiled and nodded his head. And then both of them sat back on their chairs, calm, happy, and with a new lesson. So kids, if you want to have fun, you must also be careful. For more fun stories like this, like and subscribe.